Meron na kayo hormonal imbalance.
Hello to my siblings.
Na-conscious na daw, di ba? Dili pa ginita pang vlogger, Justin. Welcome to... Unsa day mo position sa samahan na rin?
External Affairs Director.
Sige.
Really, the work is external engagement. So it might be partnerships from different organizations, but still
Kuyog ako.
depends. Mo gani magsampuan ka gani ko. Yes, partnerships or something that is kanang related to national issues.
Fulfilling pa ba siya?
Yes, no, for student leaders like me, na passion siya.
Di ba President's Lister man ka?
Yes.
Nakita-anti ka na
Thanks
ako
be to
adto
God.
sa kung Martin Hall ni siya namo sa ubos na ako sa taas nag-exercise ko dito.
Wow! Nag-gym ka dito.
I want to talk about how woke the youth is about current events.
Kung we talk about tomorrow's alternative class,
Woke ka.
for me, yes, personally, but mag-differ yapon.
Depende.
The
Kung unsa na
students.
mga current events.
Kay naa may reservation po lang po ba?
Exactly.
Yes.
Current event pa ba pag panagbulag ni Ellen Adarna o Derek Ramsey?
Ay, hindi ko ka-relate for Gen... Ow!
Expired na to. Expired na siya.
Ako nga dili aligned to mga showbiz balita.
Correct.
So medyo dili kay siya big
Di
deal
ka
sa
ganan
ako.
mo istorya about kay
Yes.
ICC
Di-
President Duterte. Reserved ka na.
Reserved said ko ana.
Bash
Pero
ka.
again, parang should be tried in our
Yes.
class. Ana lang jud.
Ang topic ni Ma'am Dugoy, favorite bride kay ni Ma'am President Lister. Unya nangita siya kay Dr. Kuan. Man kailaan ni sa SSE.
Icon planning ba yung subject? Yes.
See?
Sila ka?
Oh, yes. She's one of my best friends.
Oh, da.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nasya dera mo?
Yeah, she's a good friend of mine.
So naana di si tawagon na naman. Siya nag-ingon sa ako ana kung bagsak ko nun ibagsak gyud. While I was a baby teacher, she told me, "Wa siya kailas ko, upo ko kailan niya." Ano na siya day, na nangita sa imo sa gawas. And I just have to tell you this, if bagsak ko nun, bagsakon.
Randomly?
I-upload pa ba na to ni?
Yes.
Oh, sige, yes.
Yes,
Hello.
no? Kaya para invite na to ang ubang students
Sige.
and other student leaders. I believe they will take some, napod sa mga brain. So siya.
Ala, nalingaw ka, honest.
Yes.
So that's
Diba?
it.
With my spare, time.
Spare time. Our sponty time.
Yes.
His spare
More
time.
of this.
My sponty time. So there will be more of this. This is just an introduction. So anyway, sa pabailain mo anything more to
inviting everyone for tomorrow. No.
Unsay na magani?
It's EDSA at 4.
Ang saman mo.
There will be commemorative activities tomorrow.
Sa
So
ganun.
we will begin by a Holy Mass at 9 a.m.
There is chapel.
Yes, and then 10 a.m. democracy learning sessions. So there will be organizations will be setting up their booths. No, it might be about elections. So conscious learning
Anywhere sa
session.
school.
So everyone can learn from
Yeah.
the booth. And then, of course, the important one, the Alternative Class Forum.
Yeah.
It's about people power in the age of democracy.
Isa mag-host
And
ana.
in the people power in the age of misinformation.
Isa mag-host ana.
Me. It's at
Pangadto mo
Martin Hall.
Martin Hall, dako-dako siya.
Yes.
In
Alternative class.
fairness.
Dapat na
I
yung mga
want
students.
to.
Dapat
No?
yung mga students.
I-chat ko ha sa details,
Oo.
i-forward na ko sila ha. Pahimuon
Susan
ako
Ken.
sila og reflection paper.
Exactly. That's alternative class.
Exactly. So that's it. See you all tomorrow.
It's an honor
Yeah,
to
and
be part of this podcast. Sponty. Vlog.
thank you very
Vlog/vlog.
much. More pa ha.
Yes. Pero dagan-dagan. I hope dili lang ako.
Yeah, sila.
Gusto ko dagan po
Katayin mo
din.
mga kailang,
Oo.
ipailes ako.
Unfortunately, wala man sila doon kay wala
I-chat
may
lang ko.
klase. Yes.
Kung sa inyo mga kailangan ng mga
Yes.
sponsorships and publications.
Supportive ka ini.
So more to siya. Goodbye. Goodbye na yun. Dili ka balo, di ba?
For watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the like button.
See you in class.
Share button.
See you in class at 6 p.m.